Happy Tuesday, firsties. I need you to get your math packet out for today. And we're going to do two things. The first thing we're going to do is go over from yesterday this bottom row that I asked you to do all by yourself because we did the top row together. So we're going to check your answers in the bottom row. And after we do that, we're going to work on this page. And you have two options. I'm going to go through and explain how I solve these two-digit addition problems and show you a few different ways, or you can go ahead and pause the video and do it your favorite way and then come back and check your answers. But we're not going to check answers together tomorrow. So make sure you either work with me when we get to this page or you pause the video and come back, okay? But first, let's check our answers from yesterday. Remember, we were adding two-digit numbers and we were starting in the ones place. So we were adding the ones and then the tens. So our first one was 15 plus 22. The 5 and the 2 were in the ones place, and that was 7. And the 1 and the 2 were in the tens place, and that was 3. So the answer there is 37. The second one says 37 plus 51. The 7 and the 1 equal 8 in the ones place, and the 3 plus the 5 equal 8 in the tens place. Check and make sure you got 88 for your answer. The next one says 76 plus 13. The ones place was 6 plus 3 equals 9, and the tens place was 7 plus 1 equals 8. So your answer there should be 89. Thumbs up if you got an 89. Good job. The next one is 29 plus 60. In the ones place, 9 plus 0 equals 9, and in the tens place, 2 plus 6 equals 8. Another answer of 89. Give a woohoo for 89. All right, great job, guys. And the last one was 47 plus 13. 7 plus 1 in the ones place equals 8. And 4 plus 3 in the tens place equals 7. And that answer should be 78. So make sure that's what you got. Okay, if your answers are different, just check and make sure you add it correctly and that you did your ones place and then your tens place. Okay, give yourselves 100 or a smiley or a star or whatever you want on this, okay? Now, I'd like for you to get out this paper. And it says, show what you know. So we're going to add two-digit addition numbers again, and you can do it any way that works for you. All right, so I'm going to talk you through a couple different ways I did it. You can get your pencil and do it with me now, or you can pause the video, do your work, come back and check your answers. All right, so the first one says 25 plus 20, and I did my thin cloud, and I divided my T and my O for my tens and ones, and I went 5 plus 0 is 5, and 2 plus 2 is 4, and I got the answer 45. For the second one, it said 37 plus 6. I decided to do tens longs and ones smalls for this one because I wanted to see if I had enough to trade in for a 10. So I made 37, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. And then I made 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when I looked at my ones, I said, oh wait, I have 7 ones here and 3 more ones would give me 110. So I traded those ones for 110, and then I had those 3 ones left over. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. So 37 plus 6 equals 43. Over here, I used some tens and ones again, and I also tried a TO trick, okay? So I had 11 plus 76. So when I did that, I had 10 and 1, 11, 10, 11, and then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. And when I looked at that, I only had 7 ones, so I didn't have enough to trade. So then I came and tried my TO, and I see 1 plus 6 equals 7, and 1 plus 7 equals 8, and my answer was 87. I used a thin cloud over here when I added my ones together for my numbers 34 plus 29. So when I add my 4 plus 9, I get 13. Well, 13 has a T and O in it, so I know I can't put it on my ones place. So I make sure my 3 was in the ones, that stays there, and my 1 from 13 was in the tens place, so I have to move it over to the tens place. So now I have 3, 4, 5, 6 in my tens place. So my answer was 63, okay? Look at that, see how I did that one? I did another thin cloud over here. When I did this one, it was 28 plus 35, plus 53, and 8 plus 3 in my ones place gives me 11. So when I put 11 in my thin cloud, I have 1 10 and 1 0 and 1 1. So the 1 stays in the ones place, the other one goes to the tens place. So that gives me 5, 6, 7, 8 tens now. So my answer is 81. And the last one, I just did a T and O again, and I did my thin cloud because I had 45 plus 25, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So I can't put 10 in my ones place. My 0 stayed in the ones place. I had to make that 10 go over to my tens place. So now I had 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. So my answer for that one was 70. Okay, so you can do tens and ones. Add your ones first. When you have more than 9 in the ones place, you can do your little thin cloud to figure out where to put them. Or you can do your tens longs and your ones smalls and add up your ones and see if you have enough to trade it over for a 10. Whatever works for you, go ahead and do this if you didn't do it yet. And if you did it, great job. And we're going to move on to some subtracting tomorrow in math. Have a great afternoon.